Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to activate stolen device protection on your iPhone. Just iOS 17.3 is update and this feature they are introducing in this iOS. So how to do it, we will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as demonstration in mobile screen. Just simply click the setting and inside the setting, general, software update. It's mandatory to update 17.3. Then after this features is visible your mobile device, and just simply scroll down here and the face ID and passcode. You click here, enter your password, and little bit scroll down here and boom, look at this here, stolen device protection option automatically coming here after updating 17.3. You just simply click here, turn on, and now your stolen device protection is a turn on. Your mobile is stolen, so you can very easily find out your mobile where is this. Sometimes this features is not active within a second. You need to spend almost 1 hour, but I already use these features and spend 1 hour, then automatically activate stolen device protection. So you can do this process and activate stolen device protection in your mobile. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.